Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Have you always wished that you are able to cook a sweet and sour fish that is as good as the one you enjoyed in your favorite Chinese restaurant? Well, today I will be cooking my version of sweet and sour fish that I hope is worthy of restaurant standard. It features pieces of Spanish mackerel that are crispy on the outside, soft, flaky and moist inside. It is smothered in an irresistible sweet and sour sauce. I cook this dish often for my family and they like it very much. I hope you will like it too. So first of all, we'll look at our bell peppers and our onions. We need to cut them into smaller pieces. So we cut our bell peppers into diamond shape. You can also cut it into square shape, it's okay, it's up to you. Then we can cut our Bombay onions. We can cut it into about 2 cm squares. Then we need to separate the onion leaves before stir frying to ensure even cooking. We do not want to struggle and separating our leaves while we are cooking. So this one is our drained pineapple cubes in syrup. I also reserve 4 tablespoons of the syrup and put it aside. You can also use fresh pineapple if you wish to do so. Here we have 600 grams of Spanish mackerel. You can also use other types of fish like sea bass, grouper, dory, perch, and trout. Well, any fish that has mild flavor and firm flesh will be very suitable. So cut it into approximately 3 cm by 4 cm pieces. The size is up to you. You want to make it bigger or smaller is up to you. So we need to marinate our fish. So for the marinade, we need 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. So we also need 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I use Shao Shing wine. You can also use Hua Tiao Jiu, dry sherry or even sake if you do not have Shao Shing wine. So okay, we have this egg. Just lightly beat the egg and we are going to add together with the marinade. So pour it over our fish. So all we need to do now is to coat the marinade with the, around every piece of meat. Now we make the sauce, which comprises of tomato sauce, salt, and this is black sweet rice vinegar. If you do not have this, you can substitute with ordinary white vinegar, white rice vinegar, or apple cider vinegar. I also added cornstarch and a little bit of water. Stir well so that everything is nicely mixed. We'll put this aside. So let's coat the pieces of fish with cornstarch. So just roll it around our cornstarch here. So remember to press the cornstarch gently but firmly onto the fish to ensure that the cornstarch does not detach itself from the fish during frying later on. So you're going to do the same for every piece. Until you reach the last piece. So looks like we can start frying our fish. So heat up sufficient amount of oil for deep frying. Test the oil and see whether it is hot enough. If there are no bubbles, that means it's not hot enough. So then dip your chopstick once more, and then you can see oil bubbles around the chopstick. So can you see that? Yeah, so you see lots of oil bubbles. So it shows that it is ready for frying. So you're going to fry it on a medium-high heat, and remember to fry in batches. So here I'm frying it in 2 batches. Try not to overcrowd the pan, spread out into a single layer. Also try not to touch it for the first 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we can flip the fish from time to time until the fish turns golden brown. So it will just naturally float. So once it's golden brown like this, then it's time for us to lift our fish pieces out. So you're going to put it on a stack of kitchen paper to drain. Okay, so do the same for the second batch. So after all has been fried, we're going to subject the fish to second frying. The first frying cooks the fish through, while the second frying at a higher temperature crisps and browns the exterior and also remove more moisture to create a more desirable texture. Second frying also helps out in drawing out the excess oil. So you can see that it is even more golden brown, even more crispy. So you can take it out and drain on a stack of kitchen paper. Okay, here we are. So remove the oil, and using the same pan, we need to stir fry our vegetables. Yeah, the peppers, the onions, etc. So we stir fry it for about 2 minutes until it is almost like charred on the edges. Then we can remove it and put it aside. So do the same thing with our pineapple cubes. So for this, we can just need to stir fry it for about 30 minutes and we can then remove it. So I've cleaned the pan and put 1 teaspoon of oil. Then pour in our sauce, and then we need to stir fry the sauce until the sauce turns deeper color, it thickens and it bubbles. So when that happens, we can then add our 2 tablespoons or 3 or 4 tablespoons of pineapple syrup. It depends on how sweet you want it to be. So I put about 2 tablespoons of it. So then we will put in our fried fish and try to coat the fish with the delicious sauce. So I deliberately left some parts of the fish not coated with the sauce so that it remains crispy. So add in our pineapple, bell peppers and onion. So you just have to stir fry to mix everything, and then for about a minute I would say, and then our sweet and sour fish fillet is done. This Chinese sweet and sour fish fillet is best enjoyed piping hot for best results. You can observe that the cooks in the Chinese restaurants will be hurrying the waiters to whisk this dish out as soon as it is lifted out from the wok. Look at the delicious plump piece of fish. The exterior is crispy, the fish is tender and juicy, and the sauce is sweet and piquant. I hope you will give this dish a try. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Happy cooking!